Yeah. Whoa. Tell me what you wanna be. Game ain't free. In my best dress, but I need blue cheese. Never say please. Take out what I want in this life. No salad, but I need blue cheese. Tell me what you wanna be. Game ain't free. Got it on lock, but I need new keys. Never gon' leave. Take out what I want in this life. No salad, but I need blue cheese. Started local with the flow, better bring it worldwide. Got the schedule of a mogul and your girl tongue tied. Put the raps all back, never cap, one lie. Tomato sun dry, blue cheese on the side. They were saying what? Finger to the sky. Probably got a couple million on a thumb drive. Thumbing through flows, cold shit, I can numb 'em with those. Like ice packs, my raps been ready to go, but shit.
But that's what I'm saying. So with that's what I'm saying. Because I don't mind. Mine's not outlined like that either. But that's what I'm asking. Do you not have what you really want because you don't have it structured and outlined and know exactly where you're going? That's what I'm saying.